I'm an American military veteran, and so I'm really proud to be a part of this team that builds American-made products. Our quality is second to none. We want to keep jobs in the area. We're really proud of building opportunities within our community.
This van floor that we make here is 100% American made by American workers. We all have jobs here because of it. Everybody is concerned about quality here, wants to do a good job, make a good product.
Our products are made in America, USA. That's where we are. Welcome to Legend in Burnsville, Minnesota. Right now we are standing in our knife machine area where we are cutting liners for all of our vans. As you can see, we got Carlos over here working hard on our lower production machine. Right now he's cutting liners for our vans to keep those vans nice and warm. This is our StabiliGrip area and our Evolve. This is where we're gonna develop all of our hard floors for the bottom of your van. Walking towards us now is Tanner as he's preparing his goods. Hey buddy, working hard. We got another smaller machine here. We got Ben and Michael working right over there. So as you can see, we're really pumping out orders here. We're really trying to vamp up our production in Minnesota and really expand out to the United States. How's it going, gentlemen? What do we got going on here? So we got 2 sheets of StabiliGrip right here where we're cutting up a certain, what van are we cutting right now?
Transit 148.
A Ford Transit 148 inch extended. So what kind of van you cutting right now?
We got a couple of
He's got one order from one customer, 3 different vans on there. See, we got a Sprinter, a Transit, and a ProMaster. One customer, all different kinds of vans. That's what we can do for you guys. And this guy right here, the Cut Master. All right, everybody watch out for Raquel right here. She is part of our cleaning crew and also part of our kitting department. She will be the one who's boxing up all of our parts, putting them together, making sure all the hardware is in there with you. And just to let you know, she was voted Legend of the Week last week. Woo!
So we're making our StabiliGrip board today. This is a near zero waste board, which means on top of using highly recycled materials, any board that doesn't meet our tight specifications are recycled back into the board. Our press technicians are monitoring temperature. They're watching the aesthetic of the board coming out of the press to ensure it's meeting the quality specs that we present. We're actually cutting that edge trim off of the board to make it a pristine finished board, and then we're cutting the sides. So as that board travels down our conveyor belt, it will be flipped right side up and then visually inspected for any further quality errors or defects, and then discarded into our quality accepted pile.
Every person on the team here is concerned about quality. We like to run very low line scrap here. We want every board that comes out the other end of the line to be a saleable board. The whole team knows that we want to keep our quality up and our line scrap low. We need a saleable product at the end of the day. I gotta make sure I'm not pounding out scrap while we're talking here. We can do close to 1,000 boards in an 11-hour shift. When you run recycled plastic, sometimes there's a couple little hiccups, but it's worth it to us to run the recycled plastic. There is no waste here. If there's a scrap board or the edge trim or the wheel well cutouts in the vans, we get the wheel well cutouts back, the engine compartment cutouts come back, we grind that, we shred that back up, grind it back up, repellet it, run it back down the line and make a new board out of it. I kind of babysit this line all day. I don't even like leaving it. I usually eat right here. I don't go sit in the break room. It's not that I can't sit in the break room, but I just like being out here. I eat right alongside the press.
Once our piece is cut, What we do is we do this really thin, fine cut right here. And what we do is we add a metal rail to attach our pieces of floor. This way we're gonna have a nice flush bottom where you can put your products and slide them around on. It doesn't matter if it's skids, pallets, large heavy items, toolboxes, they'll land right on there and slide right across there without any bumps, no folding of the floor, nice, strong, durable, clean, smooth, very awesome looking floor. I didn't know this. I'm just learning about this too for the first time, is this is actually a textured feel. This is a textured feel right here to really give you that grip. These are our awesome grab handles. I'm getting in the van, safety. I can just grab that handle, get in the van, Grab handles. Grabbing those handles, getting in the van, nice and safe, get in the van, grab those handles, woo, woo, work, get to work.
This entire building is dedicated to this one board. You know, all the machines in here are for this StabiliGrip board. I was a dairy farmer my entire life. I milked cows from the time I was 8 years old. Milked cows before I went to school. When I came home from school, I milked cows, and I raised my family, raised 3 kids on my farm. When I got to be 50 years old and my kids were growing up, I decided that was enough of that. And I came here to this factory and started making van floors. And I've been making van floors now for the last 7 years. I like this job. Other than a vacation day, I have not missed a day of work since I started here 7 years ago. It's been a wonderful place to work, and I enjoy making recycled van floors.
I'm a creature with no skeleton inside your hands. Got no home address, I come and go as you command. And it's fine with me, and it's fine.
I've been with the company for about 2 years. I'm Drew, and I started out working on machines, and now I'm in the shipping department. You can really see how much we're really pumping out. From starting here on one machine, and now we're growing all the way up to 5, 6 machines. We're really starting to grow in the States here, and I really hope we keep growing and really develop our products and really help out those people that are out there in those vans. That's their life. Legends of the Road right here, right on the arm. Everybody, thank you for visiting us here at Ledge in Minnesota. We hope to see you in the future. If not, hopefully we're making products for you and you are driving out there being a legend of the road.